check out how this turned out. Came up with the border idea. So my first couple attempts at trying to use the board came out okay. Tried to flare it out a little bit, tried to get a distinct line, but I couldn't get any narrower than about 3/4, and I couldn't keep it consistent because I had a gap at the bottom here, even with holding the flame at different angles. So I got to thinking I needed some angle iron, and check out what I came up with here. I think this is going to turn out. I cut 4 pieces of angle iron so I can build my corners, my different corners, and I can make my gaps whatever width I want. So I think I'm going to keep this one down around probably 3/8. But that turned out pretty cool. I like that border on there.